Police tracked down 2 burglary suspects after they escaped through an apartment window. Good evening, I'm Rob McCartney.
I'm Melissa Fry. Police say the crime's connected to another South Omaha burglary. Now 18-year-old Juan Azpicia Gonzalez and 19-year-old Daniel Arriaga face charges. KATV News Watch 7's Nicole Goodrich is live.
The 2 men were arrested in the backyard of this home near 27th and Drexel. Police say they ran here after burglarizing an apartment just around the block, making off with medication. But police say this is all connected to another burglary that happened near 18th and Vinton.
I don't understand why. That's the problem. I don't understand why.
Gerald Davis is picking up after police say 2 men broke into the back door of his apartment Wednesday morning.
Just trashed it, trashed everything. Living room, bedroom, took the pillows off my couch, went through my clothes, just trashed it basically.
Someone noticed the commotion and called police and notified Davis, who wasn't home at the time. The men taking off with some of Davis's medication.
No pain pills, blood pressure medication, asthma medication, allergy medication.
When police arrived, officers saw the 2 men escaping through the apartment's second-story window, chasing them through the neighborhood.
They look suspicious right away.
Raul Buenrostro says he saw the suspects, even confronted them.
He's like, well, I live on this house next door. I run this block. He was threatening me, like he runs this block.
Now, the men didn't live at that house, but they were arrested there. Police say they climbed onto the home's balcony, but didn't make it inside. Neighbors alerted Alvia Robledo, the real homeowner, who came back to make sure nothing was taken.
I feel sad for the kids that do that. You know, I think they need help.
Nicole Goodrich reporting. Now, in addition to the stolen medication, police say they also found a stolen firearm with the suspects. The stolen medication will be returned to Davis. Police say they have no indication as to why these homes were targeted.